Okay, now I'm going to create another for the backend. Everything will be same. The name will be the backend, the T2 micro, the Ubuntu operating system, then the key pair. After that, we're going to use the VPC and we're going to use this private one for this one, and the auto assign public IP will be disabled. Then we are going to select the security group like all traffic enable from anywhere. So after that, we can also run the Shebang line for this one. Let's sudo apt update. Then we can install the Python 3 pip, then the Python 3 vamp also. Then we can clone the GitHub in here, so GitLab in here also. Then we can launch the instance. So for that, what we can do, just go to my sudo dashboard again, click on the launch instance, give the name backend, then the operating system should be Ubuntu. Okay, then Ubuntu, the T2 micro should be good. Select the keypad that I actually created, then edit the VPC, the entire app VPC. Then I'm going to select the private one, and the auto and public IP should be disabled. I don't want any private public IP for this my backend. After that, we can select the existing group, which is the front end, which have all the configuration like anywhere IP before. Okay, so in the advanced details, if I scroll down, I can do the same thing like I did for the front end. For the just hash, then this one, then bin slash bash, bin slash sorry, my mistake, bin slash bash, then sudo apt update. Then I can install it like sudo apt install python 3 sorry python 3 slash pip and python 3 van why sorry when spelling wrong why then I can clone the repo git clone this repo. Let's see if all the commands are cut or not. Okay, sudo apt update, sudo apt install y, python 3, p, python 3 vam, digital. Okay, so the y you can specify after the install, or you can specify the end also if it's going to work. No worries, the python 3 pip, the python 3 vam. Okay, python 3 pip, the python 3 vam, that's fine. Okay, so now we can launch this instance also. Okay, so now go to the instance, we reload. So both our front end and back end should be here. If we click on the front end, I should be able to see public IP before. Now if I click on the back end, there will be no public IP, there will be only private IP.